Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to discuss the issue that what you can do if you are getting the error message that your Wi-Fi is not able to recognize your IP address or it cannot configure your IP address. So how can you solve this issue? Because this issue means that you cannot connect to your Wi-Fi and you cannot browse the internet. So for this what we are going to do is we are going to reset our IP address, and that is the easiest way to solve this issue. If you are facing this error, then in 90% of the cases with this step your issue would have been solved. So for this what we need to do is go to the search bar and type in cmd and run the command prompt as an administrator. When asked for permission, just click on yes. Now what we need to do is we need to run these 5 commands, but you need to remember one thing, that if you have a dynamic IP address, then you need to run only these 2 commands, and if you have a static IP address, then post running these 2 commands, these 3 ipconfig commands also you need to run. So let me just go through these commands real quick with you. So first is netsh winstock reset to reset the IP, then netsh int IP reset. This is just for the dynamic IP. But if you have a static IP, then you need to run ipconfig-release to release the IP address, ipconfig-flush DNS to refresh everything, and ipconfig/renew to generate a new IP address for you. Now once you have done this, then try to reconnect with your Wi-Fi, and the issue that it cannot configure your IP address would have been solved, and you would be able to connect to your Wi-Fi. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.